if you believe what this guy is saying about the servant of God in Africa, you will become like him, an accuser. This guy accused the servant of God in Africa without evidence. At least picture or video. He just creating a name and place and event that never happened. It is just his wild imagination. He created it. He even accused TB Joshua of something that TB Joshua never did or never done. So don't believe this guy. This guy is a fraud. If you believe this guy, God will chastise you. So be careful not to buy this lying guy. Don't do that. Only God will reveal the hidden secret of the servant of God. In due time, just wait for it. Don't eager to know the thing that belongs to God. If this person that he is talking about, this guy is accusing of if the person or the servant of God that this guy is accusing of is true, he should have evidence and at least video that can he show to the people. But the funny thing is at least one cannot have, because if this guy is just fabricating this issue about the servant of God in Africa, he will face a great trouble. He will face court and the police because he will sue